Hello, welcome. My name is JesseMcDesign. Today we're going to be carving this creep from this pumpkin. Let's get started. So I was going to try and do this yesterday and get it out for Halloween day, but I got sidetracked with some things, so here we are, day after Halloween. I think they'll be fine anyway. Still in the Halloween spirit. As you can see here on the corner, you can kind of see what my reference is going to be. I'll pop it up on the screen so you can get a better shot. It's just like this troll ogre guy, and if you look at this pumpkin, it has this nice little flat face profile, which I think will work really well for what we've got going on here. Depending on how this goes, I might do the teeth and the ears separately to make this thing look really dramatic and extra. I haven't done that quite yet. I've dabbled here and there with this. You can actually see a couple weeks ago I made one, and it's a fairly quick project for me. I can usually get it done in a couple hours. So I figured, why not? Let's do another one. See if we can't even make it better than before. Now normally I would go in and sketch on the skin of the pumpkin, and as I'm doing this initial roughing, getting that skin off, I would kind of accentuate those areas as I'm carving. But I kind of figured I would just kind of freestyle this one. I'm not really too worried about looking at really perfect, and I always kind of freestyle, move things around as I'm carving anyway. So right now I'm just kind of figuring out where I want things to be. You know, this is probably the farthest out point of this pumpkin, so I'm trying to make that this nice lip area here, and we'll be able to carve above that back a little bit to get that underbite going. And if it works out well enough, like I was saying, we'll come back. And I was thinking about going in the backside here and chopping out sections, since you won't really see that anyway, for the teeth at the very least. And if I have enough and that works out well, I want to do some nice little elf ears that he has going on here. Can't really see, I suppose, but he has little elf-like ears. But we're just gonna keep moving on this, try and define some things, see how it looks, and then just keep moving forward. Alright, we're getting kind of close. You can see that I've been working one side a little bit more than the other. It just helps to, if I have to move proportions around, I can you know, worry about one side, and then if it doesn't look right, I can adjust on the other side or whatever. But I'm kind of liking where we're going right now with this side, so we're going to start moving on to this side and getting that a little bit closer to what we got going on over here. And you can also kind of see, it's kind of hard to see here, but I started chopping away at the jawline to get that shape a little bit more like the photo, and the chin and everything is starting to come together. It's kind of hard to see, at least it looks like it to me, but we're getting there. And I also started trying to knock away the side of the face here to really shape it. I feel like in the photo it's a little bit more elongated, whereas this is round. So helping chop that away will help a lot, and that'll also help me figure out where I'm gonna place the ear and everything. And with that being said, I also I think we're gonna work out this the couple teeth I want to put in here will work out really well. I think we'll get it a little bit closer, and then we'll chop them out and see if we can't place them and see if we have to go deeper in any spots to make them look better or whatever we have to do. We're just gonna keep carving away and bring some more life to this guy. Well, if I'm being honest, I'm giving up. I don't know how well you could tell in the time lapse, but I started working out these teeth and the ears, and I don't know if there's a trick to finding the right pumpkin for stuff like that, but I would get the pieces close and I would stick a little piece of wood or something in there just to hold it in place, and it would crack in half. And I tried it twice. I tried it for the tooth and then I tried it for the ear, which was bigger and thicker, and to be honest, I wasn't really feeling like doing this today. I kind of wanted to get it out for Halloween, and what are you gonna do? Sometimes you fail. It's not the worst. It is something. I thought it was gonna be cool. I'm gonna let it sit here. So if this is the end, this is the end. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. Alright, so I had some mixed feelings about this last night. I almost completely just quit and just let it be as it was. I slept on it and decided, you know, I'm gonna spend an hour at least on it, see what I can do. And what you're looking at now is that I went ahead and just roughed out the ears and the teeth and everything. I'm not completely happy with it. They're kind of falling off and they're not very securely on there, but it's something. And then the last little shot you saw was me just going in and adding a little bit more detail, just some wrinkles and all that, just to make it look halfway decent. Like I said, I'm not super happy with this one. I almost just quit on it last night, but I decided, why not? Let's just finish it and just, it is what it is, right? That being said, it's not the worst, you know, very interesting little troll guy. But with that being said, I think the following years from now on, I'm gonna do more of a clay sculpture type deal, so I can really get the realism that I'm going for, that I really strive to get out of stuff like this. But if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up, it really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm always over here doing something artistic, painting, furniture, home decor, who knows? Leave in the comments below what I should do next. See you on the next one.